Hello everyone, welcome to Desi Khana 2020. This is my first ever voiceover video where I'm going to share with you a very healthy but super tempting and easy breakfast recipe, that is rainbow sandwich. We all know the importance of having colorful food in our regular diet, and the colorful food usually are fruits and vegetables which contain many vitamins and antioxidants we need while adding very less calories. All these colorful fruits and vegetables work together to protect our lives from heart diseases, vision loss, hypertension, and also cancer and many other diseases. In some other video, I'll explain what is the importance of different colorful fruits and vegetables specifically. So, let's get started. For this recipe, we need these ingredients. 1/4 of a medium-sized red cabbage, which is chopped. We also need black grapes, which is around 50 grams chopped. If you have blueberries, you can use that. 9 to 10 slices of cucumber. You need yellow bell pepper, which is a medium size, and half is enough, 50 grams, and that is chopped. You need half of a medium sized carrot, which is 50 grams and sliced. 1 medium sized tomato, which is also around 50 grams and sliced. 2 hard-boiled eggs, which were also sliced. 2 small bunches of coriander leaves and spring onion, which were chopped finely. For seasoning, we need olive oil, Dijon mustard and oregano, rock salt and black pepper as per your taste. I have taken hung curd, which were mixed with organic sugar and rock salt before. Hung curd was around 200 grams. I have taken 8 slices of white bread. If you have brown bread, you can use that. That will be more healthier option. Now mix all chopped and sliced fruits and vegetables with pinches of rock salt and black pepper. Mix Dijon mustard, olive oil and oregano properly and add it to each bowl of fruits and vegetables. And give a proper mix. Add hung curd to the red cabbage because it will stick properly on the bread slices. Give a proper mix of hung curd and red cabbage. And since it is a rainbow sandwich, let's start with the color violet. Spread it evenly on the bread slice. After layering the first slice of bread, it must look like this. And then add another layer of bread, and on top of that you start spreading with grapes. And after spreading the grapes, it must look like this. Now add another layer of bread, and this time this will be layered with slices of cucumber. Can you see the different layers of rainbow forming? This time you must layer it with a yellow color, and it is in the form of chopped yellow bell pepper. Doesn't it look so fresh? What's the next color of a rainbow? It's orange, right? So let's layer it with slices of carrot. Now cover it with another bread slice and the last mandatory layer, that is red, in the form of a tomato. For vegetarian people, this much is enough, but for non-vegetarian people, to make it more yummy, you can add one more layer of sliced egg. Cover the egg with the last slice of bread and then cover it entirely with the hung curd mixture from all the sides. Sprinkle chopped spring onions and coriander leaves on all the visible part of the sandwich. Take another plate and keep 2 strands of spring onions crisscrossed and place the sandwich at the center on it. Tie the 4 ends of the spring onions to make a knot. Perch a tomato rose and place it at the center, and your rainbow sandwich is ready to serve. Now untie the knot and slice it into 2 halves. It can serve a maximum of 4. Now can you see the different colors of a rainbow? Doesn't it look tempting? You can always surprise your guest with this elegant sandwich behemoth. This recipe has an equal health to taste ratio, so you can give it to kids and even the people who are on diet can have it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share with your friends and family. This channel is new, so your support means a lot to me. Please follow my Instagram channel Desikhana 2020. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for watching and stay tuned till the next video comes.